Today, Blue Shield of California begins their takeover of the state's vaccine distribution effort. There are already changes in place, including a new allocation formula designed to improve equity. KION's Alicia Machado reports on what all of this means for our Central Coast.
The new system will bring all counties under one uniform statewide eligibility system. Phases. That transition will start later this month for the Central Coast, but there are still some unknowns about exactly how this will impact the current vaccine rollout. Under the Blue Shield takeover, counties and providers will have until March 31st to transition to Phase 1B, which includes individuals 65 and older and frontline essential workers in agriculture and food, education and child care, and emergency services. Before this change, Health Officer for San Benito and Santa Cruz counties, Dr. David Ghilarducci, says counties were running under their own varied system, even though they were following state guidelines. Dr. Ghilarducci is hopeful this will bring some uniformity and make sure the supply between counties is consistent.
I've done some math myself and looked at how long it would take for us to fully get a first dose to everybody in Santa Cruz County, and that's looking like early August of 2021. For San Benito County, at the rate of vaccine that we're getting in San Benito County is not going to be until about 10 months after that. So it's that much slower between the two counties.
He anticipates San Benito County will be able to vaccinate at a faster rate under the new system.
We're cautiously optimistic that this will work well. We hope that does not mean that Santa Cruz County will get less vaccine. We do hope it means that San Benito County does get more vaccine, though.
The Monterey County Health Department tells me they'll make the transition to align with the state on Wednesday. Santa Cruz County will later this month. Montage Health, which runs Monterey's community hospital and clinics, says they'll continue vaccinations as a participating provider in the state's new vaccine network. But there are still some unknowns about what this rollout will look like. In a statement to KION, VP Cynthia Peck says, quote, between now and the transition deadline of March 31st, we expect to learn much more about what the use of My Turn, the state-mandated appointment sign-up website, will mean for our high-volume clinic operations. Most local counties are on board with the transition, but some local government leaders have expressed concerns over how Blue Shield will ensure equity in vaccine distributions. Reporting in Salinas, Alicia Machado, KION News Channel 546.